This is the product of a business. This is another product of a business. And this is another product of a business. Now, guys, I know you must be wondering how you can do to start your own business, how you can do to maintain that business, how you can do to make sure that you stay sustainable in that business. Do you know that every mega business out there, no matter where they are in the world today, they started as a small business? Be it McDonald's, be it KFC, be it Amazon, be it Apple. They all started out as small businesses and then they grew to become the mega businesses that you see today. What's the secret? Well, in this video, we will help you understand the 6 important steps to note before you start a business. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. Starting a small business is really hard work. And I understand that because I tried a business myself before when I was much younger and I failed, hopefully. Well, it's kind of sad, but that's what so many people go through out there. And I had lots of challenges due to my environment because, when you start a business in economies which are like really tough as compared to the developed countries, it's really not easy to push through till the end of your business. So that's why so many more businesses in developing countries fail before they reach maybe 2-3 years as compared to the developed countries. Almost 20% of the businesses fail in the first year of startup, and almost half of those businesses fail in about 5 years, which is really a huge number. So in this video, guys, we are going to be talking about how you can understand the steps that you need to make in order to make sure that you avoid problems when starting your business. I understand how difficult it is to be able to start a small business and grow and maintain that business because I have failed so many times. I have tried so many different businesses and I have failed at them and I have succeeded at others. Sometimes when you want to learn something, you need to speak to someone who has failed in those sectors and you can understand their mistakes and correct your own mistake, and then you can flourish. So that is why I have developed these 6 points to help you guys understand how to make sure that you do not make the same mistakes that I made when I started my business and I failed back then. My failures have taught me a lot. Well, without further ado, let's dive right into the first point, guys. So point number 1, identifying the problem. Depending on the environment where you find yourself, there is a problem. There is definitely a problem in every environment. Even if you're in Africa, in Europe, in Asia, in the US, no matter where you find yourself, there is a problem. For example, look at Jeff Bezos. He started his Amazon company in his garage with book sales. Of course, so many people didn't believe in him, but he believed in what he was doing because he saw a problem. He understood the problem and he came with a solution to solve that problem. Look at Dangote of Nigeria. He has seen so many problems, of course. So many African countries have got so many problems that they're trying to solve. So Dangote realized that, okay, we have this problem. So he brought maybe the cement to be able to help us solve the problem of building. And then he brought bags. When you identify the problem, you will be able to solve that problem and then make money out of solving that problem. Because I'm not sure you can easily make money where there is no problem. Look at Jack Ma, for example. Jack Ma from China. I think he's one of the richest in China. He's one of the billionaires in China. He started Alibaba. I'm sure most of you know about Alibaba. And alongside Alibaba, he's got other investments like Alipay, Taobao, and many more in China. That's because he realized that so many people need to be able to buy goods from left and right and ship those goods to their home. So he saw that there is a problem. People don't find it easy to maybe go out to the market every time to buy. So that is why they made it easy to get stuff online and you can buy it and ship to your home. That was the problem. Bill Gates is the same thing. Mark Zuckerberg realized that, okay, well, people need to communicate. Of course, people are already communicating, but There's a way to make it easier so people can communicate. Now, when he realized that, he solved the problem of communication and then added other ideas. So, guys, remember, you just need to identify the problem and you can give a solution to that problem. There are so many problems. Point number two, guys, do your research. Yeah, do your research. So many businesses fail because they do not do the proper research before they start. You need to do your research. You need to understand the competition that you have going into that niche in your market. You need to know that you are getting into this. You need to understand the legal terms of everything you were trying to do when it comes to your niche. Because you don't just dive into a business without understanding everything. Just one court case or one problem with legal issues that you have, you can definitely go out of business. So do not forget to do your proper research, check your legal terms relating to your business, do research on the competition, understand if I need to get into this business, what is my competition? Who am I competing with? What's their budget? What's their portfolio? Who are my customers? Do I need to do more research on the people that I'm going to be providing my services to? How do I satisfy my clients? Go ahead of my competition. You need to ask yourself all these questions. You need to understand that it's not easy. You are getting in. There's people who have already been in before you. So you need to know that if you are getting in right now, you must be very strategic. Reason why, you need to do your research. Make sure that you know what you are doing going into that business niche. Regarding legal terms, so many businesses have serious legal issues most of the times. Reason why, you need to understand how to handle these legal issues when they arise. All of this will help you going into the business. You know that, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that smoothly, no problem. Number three, understand your passion. You need to understand your passion when getting into any business. You don't just wake up one morning and say, oh, I want to get into this business, I want to do this, I want to do that. No, you don't do that. If you want to do something, you need to love what you do. So many people in the 9 to 5 jobs already have this problem of waking up every morning, finding it hard to wake up every morning, feeling so tired before going to work. And when you're at work, you feel tired because maybe that's not your dream job, that's not what you like. So if you want to start a business in something that you love. Start a business in something that you have a passion for. Start a business is something that you really admire, something that you want to do it for the rest of your life. For example, if you have a passion for wigs, like doing the wigs for the ladies out there, you need to know that, okay, now I like making wigs and I want to get into making wigs. I need to link up with some salons. I need to link up with some suppliers of wigs from China. That is how you do it. And you feel happy doing that. If you start something that you do not have a passion for, it doesn't matter how much you wish to make or how much you intend to make, you're gonna run out of energy, which is why you need to follow your passion, follow your dream. Number four, get you a mentor. Get a mentor. It doesn't matter how old your mentor is, it doesn't matter where your mentor is located at. Just make sure you get a mentor. Even if it's someone who's failed in the business before, or someone who's succeeding or who has succeeded in the business before, just get a mentor. Try to learn from people who have done what you are trying to do right now. No one is an island. You should understand that, of course. You can't live alone. You can't just do anything you want, like just wake up one morning and say, I want to do this, then you just go do it. There's thousands of people, maybe millions of people who have done what you were trying to do. And if you do not find a mentor or find someone who has the experience in that niche, you might definitely run out of ideas. Find someone who can give you good advice. Also, you can find out business seminars in your environment, in your area, shows that have to do with business, starting small businesses, do that. Find someone to talk to. Speak to people, as many people as you can, before you start a business. Make sure you get someone you can talk to. Someone older, younger, it doesn't matter. But just make sure it should be someone who has some experience in what you are trying to do. Do that, and I'm sure that you will definitely see the results. So, guys, make sure that you find a mentor, talk to the mentor. Hope that the mentor gives you the insights of the business niche that you are trying to venture into. Once you get that, then you can avoid unforeseen circumstances. Number 5, and this is one of the most important points of them all, get you a business plan. This is very important. No business can run without a plan. If you want to do anything in life, you need a plan. If you want to travel, if you want to go on vacation, you need a plan. If you want to go to school, you need a plan. You need to know what you are going to school to do. You need to know how many years you're going to take to accomplish your goal in school. You need to know the career choice that you want in life. So it's the same for a business. If you want a business, if you want to succeed in your business, make sure you do a good business plan. You need to choose if you want a sole proprietorship, you want a partnership, you want an LLC. It depends on what you want. This is actually as important as a part of the business research, where you need to do your research before you get into the business. This is the part that is linked to your research, because for you to do a business plan, you need to do your research and you need to link it up together and know what you are getting into. Don't forget, guys, do your business plan. Now, for the last but not the least, number 6, understand your numbers. You need to understand and master your numbers. This is very important. How much do you plan to put into your business? How much do you plan to spend? How much do you hope that you will get into your business? How much do you plan to receive? What's the risk you're taking? How much are you taking from where? You need to understand all of this before you dive into your business. You need to check all of these expenses so that if you realize that along the line when your business is running, if you are going out of your estimated budget, you can curb and balance yourself. I think this is very important too, because when you understand your budget and you understand the numbers and you master your numbers, depending on what you're putting in, you will definitely know your limit. You shouldn't go beyond your limit. One of the options that you can do to help you with the number issue is get you a numbers person, get you a numbers guy, someone to handle the numbers. This is very important. Get you an accountant, get you someone to handle your numbers. So many people might see this as a big problem, getting someone to handle the numbers for them, because it's extra cost for the business. But sometimes you need money to make money. If you don't spend money, you can't make money. If you try to hoard money to yourself, you're going to lose money. All right, guys, so I've given you the 6 points which are really important when starting your business. And now I'm just going to give you some advice to help you as a business owner, you as someone who's planning to start a business. Now, here's the point. If you wish to start a business, just start. There's no perfect time. There's no better way. There's no better option. When you want to do something, just do it. You don't want to wake up tomorrow or the day after tomorrow with lots of regrets that, oh, I should have started this day. I should have started that day. No. If you wish to start a business, now is the time. Like I said, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The next best time is now. So now is the time for you to start your business. It doesn't matter where you're located. It doesn't matter your environment. Look around you. There is a problem. And you can create the solution. That is how billionaires are made. Think about it. If you can figure this out, then you can make a lot of money. Because I know that that's what so many people try to do. You want to make money. And if you want to make money, you need to start a business. And if you want to start a business, you need to identify the problem, create the solution. That can be your business. Do that and you can definitely be rich forever. Do not hesitate. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Just do it now. Don't keep waiting. Remember, no one is coming to save you. Nobody's coming to set you free. You need to set yourself free. If you want to launch a business, you go ahead and launch that business. Believe in yourself. Keep fighting. If you want to start a business, make sure you start that business. That's how you win. You can do it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will definitely respond to you and we can have a chat. This is Willen. See you next time.